Alright guys, as you can probably see, it's like first thing in the morning for a change. It's going to be an interesting day today. I'm going to my office Christmas party. It's up in Scotland because I work for a company based in Scotland. For those of you that didn't know that, I'm currently just sitting on the Scottish border. I would show you, but it's pitch black. My idea was that I would try and catch the sunrise at a little monument that's just off the A68. It's called the Waterloo Monument. It's there. Just a casual deer. Well guys, unfortunately we're gonna have to abandon this one. It appears there's no car park and there's nowhere really to dump the car. It's all just single track roads, and apparently, since I've done a little bit of googling, it's a little walk. You can see it. Maybe you'll see it out the back window there. Zoom in a little bit. Maybe he's trying to find somewhere else on the way up, but if not, abandon ship. But sometimes there's things happen in FPV, you know. Sometimes you go to a spot that you think is going to be amazing, you've only got a limited amount of time and it just doesn't work out. But at least I've now scoped it out, so next time I come I'm more prepared. And that's a valuable lesson here, is always be prepared. And if you can, always try and go and scope out a spot first. So, well, I've managed to find a little spot. It's just an open little piece of land, but you know, it's going to be my last flight of 2019. I haven't flown for a month, so my fingers are going to be rusty anyway, so it's probably a good job that I've got now to crash into. Let's have a couple of packs before I go for my Christmas party.
Nazi dread like Bob, so rock steady. With no spaghetti with meat sauce, maybe salads with one toss. No bread of the sorrow, cause I pray to see tomorrow. It's religion, never suspicious, too delicious for the tongue. See the lungs breathe the natural high, just like the shirts are so lovely. So ask Marco Polo and I never go solo, because I roll with the crew that keep the funk flows that make you dance until the sisters take glance. I hope you find romance. Try your luck, take a chance until I enter. Like the Milton Plaza, I'm the center of it all. The fucking prince of the ball, standing 6 feet tall. That's a long way to fall, but not worry, cause my vision ain't blurry. The eyes hotter than the spice and curry, so don't stress the father or you might feel the fury.
So check the situation, a raw deal is what we're facing. Bust the flavors of the rules they mandating. The climate gets hotter as the city gets smaller. More swallows, 1,000,001 cats, they tryna earn top dollar. Half that mill, they straight out to kill, uncultivated and destined to act real ill. Black blood up in the veins of 5 boroughs of pain. Only reason why the East and the West, it ain't the same. I'm 20-something years of age, and life surely ain't about handouts, so I lays my plan out. Hard work is catered to an art called survival. Consider Jai's lesson from conception to arrival. Now that I'm here, my fears shall decrease. Learning about life, making my way to the east. From 4 square yard struggler, the G's on time. Yo God, hit me with that rhyme.
Introducing the R to the OBO. You didn't know. I witnessed your thoughts on Robo Dindo. but your intentions confuse me on the surface. You're nervous because you lack a purpose. Check it, thought about it, much later. Should've kept it real, would've been much greater, but you got in it like a pussy. In fact, being pussy kept your whack ass back. Now, in 95 to 2000, robbers on some next shit, game tight. Yeah, in your heart, you know it ain't right. Dissension among the ranks. I'm giving thanks to the Most High for planting me firm upon this world that's forever changing. The conflict that I'm engaging, the constant riff and miscommunication. Imagine that. When you take the weight for some next kid short, yo, it's a grown man sport.
Yeah, like that. La, 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 la. It's a grown man sport. Yeah. La, 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 la. It's a grown man sport. Come on. La, 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 la. It's a grown man sport. La, 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 la. This here is a grown man sport. Yeah. Hold it.
So, that was pretty cool. I didn't destroy my quad and flew a couple of packs, only touched the ground once. Wasn't maybe as accurate as I wanted to be, but you know, it's been a month off the sticks. But yeah, quite happy actually. I thought I was going to be a lot more rusty than I was. So now it's time to go for my Christmas party. See you in 2020.
Je prie le grand maître, la si, wa de wa chaque soir. Alors,